Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave, and let's get started. So in this part of the step-by-step, I'm going to be doing bronzer, and just lost my train of thought, eyebrows, and eyeshadow primer. Sorry that if you can hear the train, I can't avoid it. I live by train, so sorry you're gonna have to hear that for a minute. I didn't know one was coming or I wouldn't have started the video yet, so I apologize. That may happen sometimes. I don't really have a way to edit it out, so enjoy the train honking. So now I'm gonna go in with brows. I use the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte for my bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the Benefit for my brows, the brow gel. I believe I'm in the shade 3. It's either 3 or 4. I can't really remember. And I've had this so long that you can't even read the package anymore, but I'm pretty sure I use the shade 3 because I feel like 4 would be too dark for me. I know I have dark hair, but sometimes I lighten it, so I didn't want it to end up being too dark whenever I would go lighter. So voila. And now I'm using the MAC paint pot and a Morphe brush to put on my eyeshadow primer. The paint pot that I'm using is soft ochre. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, all the way up to my eyebrow on both my eyes. And that's how I do that. And I hope you're enjoying this series. And thank you so much for watching.